Assalamu alaikum, this is Professor M.Hassan.khan and welcome to my new course series with the name of Human Resource Management. In this course, we are going to talk about in detail each and everything with points regarding the human resource management, what is human resource management and why human resource management is very much important in this current era, and what role human resource management are playing in the development of the any business for any organization, and what key roles they are playing in this course. So stay connected with me from start till the end. Let's move toward our first slide, first chapter, which is Introduction to the Human Resource Management. This is the course outline that which we have to cover. So you can see over here, which is K1, A2, AF3 of CLO. So we have three CLOs over here. So this is the course chapter. This is chapter course outline. So as we are seeing over here, these are the main topics which we have to cover in this chapter, and these CLOs are linked with this topics. So first topic is the human resource management, second is human resource management and management process, third is the human resource HR management, responsibilities of line and staff managers, fourth, last but not the least, which is the changing environment of HR management. So let's see our first slide of first chapter, first topic, which is the what is human resource management. First of all, we should know that why we are learning this chapter and what is the human resource management, and the short form is HRM. As you can see over here, I have highlighted the few lines over here. Let's see with this definition, go through with this definition. The human resource management is the strategic and logical approach to managing an organization's most valuable assets, its people. HRM involves hiring, training, developing, retaining, and compensating employees to achieve both individual and organizational goal. So as you can see over here, the main thing is HRM is the strategic and logical approach. It's a way, it's a path, it's an approach of what? To managing an organization's most valuable asset in terms of employees, asset in terms of business growth, asset in terms of how the employees are doing work, what progress they are doing. So asset is calculated in these form. So asset, it's people, as you can see, assets, which is the people. Human resource management, HRM, involve hiring. What they are doing, they are hiring, they are training, developing, retaining, and compensating the employee. Okay, for what they are doing to achieve both individual and organizational goals. So this is the short definition, or you can say that a quick way to understand the definition of the human resource management. Next, we're going to have HRM and the management process. What's that? HRM is not isolated, it is deeply integrated into the broader management process, which consists of, it says that it have, if we're going to talk about the process, so it have first process, planning. Planning means setting goals and deciding how to achieve them. We are doing the planning. Secondly, we are organizing. Third, leading. Fourth, controlling. These are the process. And before planning, we can say we have the need, or you can say requirement. So if there is any kind of requirement or need, then we make plan, then we are organizing, leading, controlling, and last, after controlling, sixth part, which is the monitoring, or you can say that we are just getting a result, what the result is. Let's see over here. Planning, setting goals and deciding how to achieve them. Planning. Organizing, determining task grouping them and assigning authority, organizing what we are doing, determining tasks, that what tasks we have to do, grouping them, we are dividing them in the groups, and assigning authority. Okay, leading means motivating, directing, and otherwise influencing people to hard work. Okay, we are doing leading. What there is a very big difference between the leader and the boss. We are not talking about the boss system of way, we are talking about the leading means we are motivating. Leader is a motivator, director, giving direction, and you can say over here otherwise influencing people to hard work. Okay, last but not the least, which is the controlling means monitoring and evaluating performance, or you can say that making the KPIs of the employees. And after controlling, you can also add a result, that what result they have achieved by using these type of process. Okay, next moving toward, which is HR responsibilities of line and staff manager. Let's see what are the responsibilities of line and staff managers. First of all, we are going to talk about the line managers. Example, departmental heads. What are they? What they are doing? Direct supervision of employees, implement HR policies on the ground, conduct performance appraisals, recommend promotion or disciplinary action. They are doing the duty, or you can say that the GDs of the line manager or the departmental head. On the other hand, if we're going to talk about the staff HR manager, what they are doing? They are developing HR policies. On the other hand, they are supervising. They are developing HR policies and strategies. Who are doing? Staff manager are doing design, recruitment, training, compensation plans. On the other hand, they are implementing. They are designing, they are implementing. Third point, provide expert advice to the line manager. Who are providing? Staff manager providing expert advice to the line managers. Last but not the least, ensure compliance with the labor law. Okay, they are ensuring the compliance with the labor law, that all the laws, all you can say that policies are implementing, are applicable according to the organization's need, organization wants. So you can say over here the staff HR managers, what they are doing, develop HR policies and strategies, design recruitment training, compensation plans, provide expert advice to the line managers, ensure compliance with the labor laws. You can also understand this with the simple layman example. This person is the grandfather, this is the father, and employees, they are the children. This is the layman example of to understand this in a quick way, responsibilities of line and staff managers. Now moving towards HR in modern environment. You can see over here we have 5 or A, B, C, D, E modern environment. First of all, we are going to talk about number A, which is the globalization and competition. What's that? First of all, you should know that what's the meaning of globalization. Globalization means beyond the borders, with making the relation with other countries, talking about the whole world. That's a simple definition of the globalization. Let's see. Organizations must manage diverse workforce and operate in multiple countries. Again, organization must manage diverse workforce and operate in multiple countries. Second, HRM helps attract global talent and adapt to cross-cultural norms. I've given the example in the class like HR. For example, if we talk about the MNC's company or multinational companies, for example, they having the hub in USA and having you can say that their manufacturing plant in different countries, like in Asia they are working in Australia, they are working in Canada, they are working in Europe. For example, their main hub, or you can say that their capital is in USA, and its headquarters, the leading from there to different countries. So they can take, they want to hire people from the different countries. For that they are hiring global talent. If they want to, they have different branches in different countries, so they want to hire global talent. So what they are doing, and adapt to cross cultural norms. With the help of that, they start getting their culture, what are their needs of that country where their central hub is there. Okay, so mean to say that organization must manage diverse workforce. In chapter number 2 we are going to talk in detail about the diverse workforce and operate in multiple countries. Okay, this is all about the globalization and competition. Next we have, which is B, that's technological advancement. If you're talking about the modern environment, in modern environment, B is the very most important point, technological advancement. What it says, automation, HR information system, HRIS, and artificial intelligence are transforming recruitment, payroll, and training process. With the help of technology, this, you can say that this department, HR, is getting improved with the help of with the help of the use of the technology transformation. They are using different kind of softwares, different type of you can say that process management system to enhance their hiring process, as well as in training, in payrolling, and in recruitment time, in recruitment time period. Okay, so technology plays a very important, crucial role in advancement, making the HR in the upper broader level. Okay, next part number C, which is the changing workforce demographics. Demographic means it, like you can say that it divided into gender wise, culture wise, age wise, and different. So changing workforce demographics, what it says, aging population, increased diversity, and Gen Z entering the workforce. HR must adapt policies for equal opportunity, engagement, and retention. Mean to say, what the work of HR must adapt policies for equal opportunities. Equal opportunities means if the people they're coming in your organization or working, the aged people or younger people or the mid age people, because in every organization you can see the people with different ages, gender wise, culture wise, language wise, and so on. So increase diversity, which increases the diversity. And Gen Z means like the people start their age from mid 90 till start of the 20 century, 2020, 2000 and onwards till 2010. So this age bracket is also, you can say that the younger generation are coming in the market. So different age group, different age group, different mindset people. So the main duty of the HR is to, you can say that, adopt the policies for equal opportunity and engagement and retention. Number D is like legal and ethical issues. What are they? HR must plan labor law, workplace safety, and ethical situation in the organization. Okay, if you talk about the E, remote and hybrid work in modern environment, this is also the most adapting part in the current modern era. As we all know that during COVID and after COVID, remote and hybrid work take you can say that a growing graph in the market, because most of the people in COVID time period, they start working from the home, they start doing the job remotely. Okay, COVID-19 accelerated this trend. HR now play a pivotal role in managing performance, well-being, and virtual engagement of remote teams. Okay, mean to say that after COVID or during COVID, this environment is also started in different organizations, remote work and hybrid work. Let's talk about the evolving role of HR professional. What are they? HR professionals are no longer just administrative support. They are strategic partners involved in. Main thing is that before, if you just go back past 10 years or 15 years, you cannot see the HR present at that time. There's a thing that present team which is known as the administrative team, admin team, or the administrative department. This department is there instead of HR. But as the time passes, people need the thing about need of the HR, that department who can fulfill their demands, who can just come and have engagement with their employees, can have just resolve the issues, problems in hiring, firing, promotion. So HR department come instead of administrative support department. So what they are doing, they are strategical partners involved in where they are involving. They are involved in organizational development. HR is involved in talent management, succession planning, employer branding, change management. So these are the strategic partner involved in HR. Strategic partner involved in these 5 things. Organizational development, they are developing the organization. Talent management, succession planning, employee branding, change management. We have already discussed these 5 points in class in very detail with a lot of examples. So let's see the summary of key concept of this chapter. We have discussed HRM, management process, line manager, staff manager, and modern HR trends. We have discussed about the HRM, managing people effectively to meet the organizational goals, management process, planning, organizing, leading, controlling. Line manager, direct employee supervision. Staff manager, HR specialist role. Modern HR trends, globalization, tech, diversity, ethics, and last, which is the hybrid model. Okay, this is all from this chapter, and thank you very much. Inshallah, see you in the next chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.